Hi, my name is Ken Johnson, President of C Manufacturing. I would like to show you the extensive process that is involved with manufacturing a critical safety landing gear component here at this facility, as well as showing you the people that are involved in this process from the inception of ordering material all the way through the shipping the final product to the end customer.
It all begins with quoting, where our expert team meticulously examines blueprints and designs, ensuring every detail aligns with our client's requirements. Our contract administrative team meticulously reviews all purchase orders, verifying technical data and customer-specific requirements. Once confirmed, our dedicated team springs into action, managing emails and coordinating with suppliers to ensure seamless execution. Change requests are meticulously reviewed and processed to align with client specifications before moving forward. Purchase orders are generated with precision, ensuring prompt and efficient procurement of necessary materials to keep the workflow seamless. With materials in hand, each component is handled with care, leaving no detail overlooked. Quality is paramount. Every material undergoes rigorous certification verification to guarantee integrity and suitability for our processes. State-of-the-art equipment ensures precise cutting, adhering strictly to client specifications and industry standards. Meticulous machining processes are overseen by skilled machinists to ensure accuracy and quality. Advanced technologies provide additional quality assurance, guaranteeing each part meets the highest precision standards. High-strength materials are utilized to ensure top-quality parts. As parts progress, they undergo treatments to enhance properties, with each step carefully managed. Before parts are sent out for heat treating or other property-enhancing operations, they are carefully packaged for shipment, ensuring pristine condition upon arrival. Once the parts arrive back at our facility, the quality assurance team meticulously inspects each part, verifying stringent standards set by our industry and clients. Upon receipt, parts are carefully prepared for the next stage of manufacturing. Additional machining processes continue while closely monitored for consistency and accuracy. Every step of the process is managed with a high level of organization and efficiency, maintaining our commitment to precision and excellence. CM Manufacturing utilizes the Vici Vision System to precisely inspect every part as it moves through our machining processes. Before completion, every part is deburred by hand to ensure components are free from imperfections and ready for the next process. Marking machines then apply identification marks, facilitating traceability and compliance with regulations. Quality inspections are conducted at every stage, guaranteeing each component meets our clients' standards. Before shipping parts to our customers, a final inspection compares each part against initial blueprints, ensuring compliance with industry standards and customer requirements. after final inspection by the quality manager to ensure all paperwork and parts are conforming, each part is ink stamped and labeled by hand before being prepared for shipment. And with that, another chapter in our journey comes to a close. From our team at CM Manufacturing, thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes look at our meticulous process of job completion. We look forward to serving you with excellence in all your precision machining needs.
If you're looking for precision-made parts, please contact CM Manufacturing. Thank you.